Hey everyone. Today I was working with a coaching client and helping her work towards achieving a goal. And it got me thinking, I need to share with you a really powerful way on how to stay accountable to your goals. I'm Gail Bates, CEO of MyMentorBiz.com, and I help leaders grow million-dollar teams. And we work on systems and strategies to help them go up the levels of their comp plan to the desired level that they want to go. So if you're new here, I'd love you to subscribe to my channel because I'm on a mission to have 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Hope I make it, and I hope you're one of them. Okay, so let's talk about goal setting, because so many of us set goals and then we forget about them, or we go off track, or it just doesn't happen, okay? We just really have to get very intentional about setting up goals. And I have a method, a 5-part method that I work with my coaching clients that's pretty simple. Number 1, we set the goal, of course. Number 2, we create a plan to achieve it. Number 3, we commit to making it happen. Number 4, you have to take massive determined action. And number 5 is staying accountable to it. So this is a goal-setting method that I work with my coaching clients. And staying accountable is one of the hardest things. And it just reminded me today when I was on this call with my client about a very powerful way that I really achieved moving up the ranks, developing my own million-dollar team. And I wanted to share this with you today. So basically, you do it with a whiteboard. Now, I've done a little mock whiteboard here so you can get an idea of how this works. But you get a whiteboard. I had a big whiteboard in my office, and my goal was to create team leaders, because I knew when I created team leaders, I was growing leaders who would move up a rank, and so would I move up a rank. So my goal here was to create 7 team leaders at a time, all around using this method of this 5-part method of setting a goal, creating the plan, committing to making it happen, taking massive determined action, and staying accountable. So how did I stay accountable? Okay, so I wanted 7 team leaders. I started with these 7 circles, and I added 3 circles underneath each person, because to be a team leader, you had to have 3 people. And of course, there was a qualifying team volume and all of that. But this is how I began to really grow my business with team leaders. So I made sure that I put their names in here. And every morning I would walk into my office, I'd look up and see how many names were advancing with these 7 team leaders. It was a really powerful way for me to stay accountable, because then I would look at I'd look at who maybe Marie here, she had only recruited 1 person and she needed 3. So my determined action for the day was to connect with Marie and see where she was at, and moving herself up to team leader and helping her recruit more people to hit that rank. So it's a really simple way, as I said, but it's a very powerful way. Just having this vision of looking at how many people are moving onto your team each day, and who is taking action, who needs a call because they've waned in their commitment, who just needs a call to help them stay accountable, or who is thinking it's like they need to have more bookings because they need more bookings so that they can find more people to recruit, okay? It really is a powerful way for you to stay on target with a goal, especially if you're wanting to rank up and go to the next level and have more people on your team. So I just loved, it was so thrilling to be writing in people's names in each one of these circles, because I had been working with each one of these people who had the potential, who really wanted to become a team leader every week. So that's my tip for you today. If this is a short little lesson, that I will be doing more of in my upcoming Journey to Leadership coaching program. It's a 6-month coaching program, and I have a link below. If you just want to click that link, just to let me know it's something you might be interested in growing your own leadership journey and moving up the leadership ladder yourself, then click that link and I will get back to you in the next week or two about the program, this new and upcoming program that I'm really excited about. So get your whiteboard, okay? Get your whiteboard out and start writing in those circles with names in them and start making sure that you are hitting the goal, achieving the goals that you set up for yourself. Have a great day.